Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be reviewing the course, the complete JavaScript course 2022 from zero to expert on Udemy, right? So on the very first line, I will say, yeah, this course is the best available course available on Udemy. Yeah, this is the best course for JavaScript on Udemy. In the first line, I am telling you. So why I am reviewing this? Yeah, because after this course, you have to do something, or there must be something which can be missing in this course. Yeah, so I will be covering all that things in this video, right? But if you want to learn JavaScript, yes, this is the best course available on Udemy. I am emphasizing on the word Udemy, right? So let us start. So when I talk about JavaScript, basically I can divide this whole thing into 3 or 4 parts. So JavaScript is something JavaScript basic, I will say. Okay. So JavaScript basic is one thing. Then we have JavaScript advanced, where we have some inbuilt data structures, or we can say some data structures on JavaScript, right? Or I will consider also functions in this advanced JavaScript, yes, and asynchronous, asynchronous things. This I will consider in advance, right? So these are all the topics which I think they're in the advanced section, and then we have some DOM, document object manipulation, and then we have some project kind of things, I'll say, and we have then data structures and algorithms. Okay, so first I want to tell you, this course is not for web development. Basically this is for JavaScript. So if you are thinking to go for a product based company, then you should consider this course. Or you want to become a web developer in very proficient manner, then you should consider this course, obviously, to learn JavaScript from scratch to advanced level, right? Now I will tell you that all the things how you should study from this course. So basically JavaScript basic things in this course are very good, and you do not have to do some additional things apart from this course. And advanced is also covered very good, like functions, arrays, numbers, date, and timers, advanced DOM and events. Yeah, so DOM is covered very beautifully in this course. Now I will come to the part object oriented programming. Okay, object oriented programming with JavaScript. So oops concept in JavaScript is really important for your interviews purpose. And if you are preparing for anything, then this oops is really important. And in this course, the oops concepts are covered very phenomenally, very in the very great and detailed way, right? So what you have to do, please make your short notes on oops on JavaScript, right? And I am also showing you one resource, this learnersbucket.com. This this website is really beautiful for JavaScript. If you want to learn JavaScript concepts, you can go through this website. Very crisp, short, and good content is here. So like if you are learning ES6, then you just go to this page and you have the different topics. You can go like object literals, and you can study the overview, the syntaxes, objects literal, what are this, all the information about object literal is covered here. Okay, and also the syntaxes in very crisp way are covered. So you can follow this website learnersbucket.com for the helping purpose, I must say, right? So okay, so this is covered. The course is really great till now. Now I want to tell you something, that after the oops, this is some advanced topics like asynchronous JavaScript promise, right? Await, Ajax, and this is some important topics. What I will suggest is study from here, yeah, and follow some external resources also, like the JavaScript official documentation you can go through, or some additional YouTube videos you can go through. I know these topics are covered in this course very beautifully, but uh, it's not that easy, right? This is something which usually product based companies ask a lot. So I must say you can go with some external resources also with this topic. Till object oriented programming, you do not have to follow anything else apart from this course. Okay, so okay, one thing is this. Now okay, this is the whole course, and yeah, this is great course. But now I will tell you something, right? If you want to become a freelancer, then you have to do this course, and please purchase a web development course also. You can buy Angela U course. So one web development course so must. For the projects purpose, yeah, this course is good. But after doing this course, please apply all the because projects are very average level in this course. So what you should do, you should apply all the concepts which you have learned, and make a big project on javascript, which will show to actually interviewer that yeah, you have the depth knowledge of javascript. Because in this course the concepts are in very depth, but you must showcase your knowledge. So please make a whole project covering all the important topics of javascript that you have to do additionally, right, apart from this course. Also one thing I want to cover, if you are going for an interview for product based company or some startup, then I must say please do data structures and algorithms also in javascript. That is a very big topic, yeah, and you have to cover this topic additionally apart from this course. For that you can actually follow this website learnersbucket.com, or I must say don't go anywhere, just try to learn some implementation based thing, right? Let me tell you how. So try to only learn how you can create a linked list, trees, heaps, right? So just learn how we can create this, and after knowing all this, you can go to lead code to learn data structures and algorithms. Or I must say you can follow any free full data structures course on youtube, free data structures course on YouTube, and just learn from that course. And that course must be in C++ or Java or anything, but you have a good knowledge of JavaScript, then please implement the problem solution in JavaScript, right? So if you are learning JavaScript in this depth, then do not pick any other language, I must say, right? Just be proficient in javascript and try to learn data structures and algorithms from any course and implement them in javascript. So that is the basically a full purpose, so that you can be well prepared for your interviews. Because I must say if you are buying this course, then you must be going for the interviews for product based companies, right? So that is one important aspect that you should cover. JavaScript is perfect in this course, but you have to do some additional things. Like one thing I covered is a good project based upon all the concepts, and second thing is data structures and algorithms. For the quick notes, you can prefer this site learnersbucket.com. You can go through this site. You can learn ES6, data structures, algorithm, React, JavaScript projects you can see. So this is, yeah, this is really a very helpful website. So please go through this website also. Okay. So I think this should be fine in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.